In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header from your Squarespace website quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're looking to simplify your design or experiment with a new layout, understanding how to hide your header can be an invaluable skill. Let's dive right into it so you can customize your site exactly the way you want. First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Start by opening up your preferred web browser and going to the Squarespace homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you've landed on your dashboard, you're in a great spot to start making changes to your website. Next, click on Get Started. What this does is ensure you're in the right workflow to access your site's specifics. It's a simple step, but crucial for setting up your interface to make subsequent changes smoothly. Now, you'll want to go over to the Pages section of your website's dashboard. This is where all of the architectural elements of your website are accessible. Take your time navigating through this section, especially if it's your first time. You'll find it especially useful as you regularly manage your site content. When you're in the Pages section, locate the specific page for which you want to remove the header. Hover your cursor over the page to reveal some additional options. You'll notice a small cog icon, which represents settings, appearing next to the page title. Click on this cog icon to open the page settings. It's here that you'll begin fine-tuning aspects of how your page displays. Once you're in the settings, direct your attention to the Navigation tab. This tab is pivotal because it contains the options overview for your page's header and how it's displayed on the site. Within the Navigation tab, you'll see a toggle labeled Show Header. If it's currently turned on, you'll need to switch it off. This is what will hide the header for that specific page, making your header disappear from view whenever anyone visits this part of your site. Finally, make sure to click on Save to apply the change. This step is vitally important because if you skip this, none of the changes you made will be applied and the header will still appear as usual. Hitting the Save button ensures that your page updates immediately, reflecting the newly hidden header to all visitors. And there you have it. With these easy-to-follow steps, you've successfully removed the header on your Squarespace page. This method is quick, efficient, and allows you to have greater control over your site's appearance. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more tips on customizing your website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!